Hi everybody, it's Amber, and I have a really quick video for you today. I've been working really hard on destashing my craft life, and I'm excited to share that I've got several grab boxes available here on my channel. Now these I'm calling scrapbooking grab boxes, and they are destash style. This is the first time I've ever done destash style grab boxes. Before, all my grab boxes have been brand new, sealed items. And in this case, what I'm selling are things out of my stash. So scrapbook collections, scrapbook pads, even like tools, ephemera, embellishments, and just so much more. And by this, I mean just collections that maybe I've done one project with, or actually 3/4 of the box in most of these boxes that I've created are brand new things. So if you purchase one of these boxes, you can expect to receive anything between a retired kind of throwback collection that might be no longer available. I've even included recent trendy collections that I'm just trying to destash. Maybe I've made one project, or maybe it's sealed and brand new. These are just random boxes. I have made each and every one of them really, really nice quality. They are jam-packed with just great quality scrapbooking items. Like I said, 3/4 of the box, most of the boxes are brand new sealed items. But there may be a few here and there with a few papers out of the paper pad, or maybe I used 3 of the embellishments, or just kind of things that I'm cleaning out of my stash that are nice quality. Now, if I had things that I no longer wanted and I didn't think that they were up to the caliber of throwing into one of these grab boxes, I definitely did not include it. So these grab boxes are great for somebody who's trying to build their stash. If you just want like a fun surprise box full of really nice scrapbooking items, this is the box for you. And I do want to add that if I had a collection that I included in your box, I included every piece that I owned to that collection. So some of them have the ephemera packs, the project life cards, the stickers, and even if I did a project with this collection, maybe with 10 sheets or 5 sheets, I included all of my scraps. And each box has multiple collections and or paper pads. It just depends how big the collection is that I put in, how many items I had to, with it, or if it just had a few, then I would include multiple paper pads, multiple collections. So these boxes are jam-packed. They are medium, flat rate, priority mail boxes. And like I said, I've only filled them with nice quality items. So this is going to be available to US and payment by PayPal only. They are going to be $45 shipped. As you know, the medium flat rate is almost $15. So this is going to be a $30 box pretty much for you. And it is well worth that money. So the way to purchase one is going to be first come, first serve. And you have to email me at this email that I put here on the screen. And I will also put it in the description box below. So as soon as I received an email from you, I will email you back letting you know if you did get a box, and then I'll send you my PayPal link to pay the $45. As soon as I receive that payment, I'll let you know, and then I'll also let you know what day I will be shipping your box out. Thank you so much for watching. I have limited boxes available, so please email me as soon as you can, and I will get you an email back with that PayPal link. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, which is the first craft fair series video for 2019. Thanks again. Bye.